I've just about recovered from the DOMS from my last mountain bike ride. It's happening again. Big camera's staying at home because it might snow, it might rain. It's -1 degrees. Fun. It's a little bit chilly, isn't it?
Oh mate, just had to repair a tyre, had a nail through it on 2 days ago.
What?
Got to make sure it's sealing, but it looks like it's okay.
Yeah.
And when I say sealing, I don't mean like...
Riding off-road, you see the most beautiful stuff that you would never come across riding on the road and on a set route. It's so liberating and just peaceful until you hit the jumps and the drops. It's still kind of peaceful in a weird way. So Captain's actually ridden the Cape Epic as well, so lots of good pointers coming from him. I'm so lucky to have these people around me that really know what they're talking about when it comes to this race. And this route we're going on today, a lot less technical than what we did in Pease Lake. It's actually a good thing because my body is a wreck. I'm still sore. I'll be sore for weeks. Recognising bits of this ride now. There's bits of Belgium but backwards. Just done the drop of death, which last time I did it I was on a gravel bike, so a bit more confidence inspiring this machine. Oh, road sucks.
Yeah, road's dreadful, isn't it? It's too slippery.
Can you hear that noise? You can't hear it?
No.
It's one of those high-pitched fox noises.
Frosty, the snowman.
It was worth the climb though. You want to make a snowman? It might take a while.
It's just
getting all the small bits of snow. You know, Captain.
Yes.
Sometimes I love cycling.
I love cycling.
But today, I love cycling.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good.
I love cycling.
Yeah.
I've been cycling a long time.
Watch out for that.
What?
I was just telling my viewers earlier that you don't see stuff like this. Fields. When you're stuck on the road, it's no fun at all.
No.
And you end up doing the same routes over and over again. I guess because it's new to me, it's exciting and nice.
Can't really say route if you're Australian, because it means like humpy.
Yeah.
As we just say, you know, we're always saying in Australia, saying parkour.
Shove that horse.
No, it's the full suspension horse.
Look what I got.
Oh, that's a very rare leaf. It's called a wait a while leaf because it waits a while on your arm.
I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Go and get.
Careful! Be careful!
Still got it.
Adapt, improvise, proceed. And as soon as we find the red marker, the white pole and the red marker, we can go on because that's a clear indication of where we are. Do you know where it is? They're the latest in technology.
Yeah.
My favourite bike shop, Sigma.
Yeah.
Quiet plug. They don't sell these. They're from Bull gave them to me. They're the hardware gloves that they sell in France for clearing the snow and in working in winter. They're waterproof and they got fleece and they're €5. Shh.
But you gotta go to France to get them.
No, even Bull brings them over.
I'll phone Bull.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ring Bull.
I've never had a bike this dirty.
I've only got. Have you got a washer?
I've got a hose.
Yeah, that's what you mean.
Our route home apparently is blocked by a flood. We've been warned by some cyclists coming the other way. But naturally we're going to try and ride it anyway because...
Yeah, they had scuba gear on, which was somewhat concerning, and fins.
Fins? I think you mean flippers, but...
Yeah, flipper fins.
Very wide bars here. So many times today I've nearly clipped the end of my bars on stuff because I don't realise how wide you are.
And that's just his muesli bar.
Oh!
I haven't gone through.
No.
But I think if you walk through, then we could tell how deep it was. So I'd be more than happy to sacrifice you. You look strong and fit and waterproof.
I think you should have a go.
Oh, I'm made of sugar. So if I go and it's too deep, I'll just all fall apart.
It's a wood to the left that you could step along over a few days ago,
Yeah.
and now all fully submerged.
How deep do you reckon
So
it is?
I reckon it's probably about here.
Yeah.
I mean, I am waterproof. Yeah, I've been in the shower and survived, so...
I'm just going to get the popcorn
I mean, it's a
out.
stupid thing to do.
Yeah,
Middle and right.
a bit more to the right than that.
I love having a submergible advisor with us. We've been through some puddles in the Atlas Mountains. We've crossed some rivers. We've actually even crossed rivers down in Africa. But I think the puddle of doom is upon us. Let's go.
Captain, that was actually a great idea. Our bikes are now cleaner than they were on the other side of the river.
There's a little frosty in there. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
We had a bit of fun. There's a bit of mud.
So that was a wicked ride. Massive thanks to Captain for showing me that route. He is a fountain of knowledge when it comes to mountain biking and the Cape Epic, because obviously he's ridden it. Loads and loads of good tips from him and a bit of an insight into the type of terrain actually in the race as well. Today was extremely muddy. There probably isn't going to be much mud on the Epic. It'll be like sandy mud. So just about regained feeling in my feet. Luckily that little impasse wasn't too far away from home. I'm really starting to feel a lot more comfortable on that bike now. It's always a weird feeling riding any new bike, let alone one that's so different from my existing discipline, which is road. It always takes a while to dial things in, like the shifters not being quite in the place that I need them, and there's always gonna be some tinkering. It's now New Year's Day, so I'm gonna sit, eat food, recover, and then get back out on the mountain bike on Sunday. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. And Happy New Year!